Trail Club and the recipients of the Laurels today. At the onset, I would like to say that I am not a veteran like my guest of honor here. These days, we are moving on the roads of Goa. Roads of Goa, especially in the north, resemble off-road trails only. So it's very apt and proper that Goa government tourism department is also a co-sponsor in many off-road events. They are actually taking us around Goa and the roads are equivalent to off-roads. Now, off-roading is a very daring and adventurous sport. Brand Goa sells, and it is important that bigger events like the RFC happen in Goa, should be given all the encouragement in Goa, because eventually brand Goa sells. And although we are a small state, the talent that comes out from our state is a talent that is having not only national but international recognition. I don't know when it comes to off-roading, but I do think the enthusiasts who are around here certainly have a chance here. This type of a sport brings in the right type of people who should be coming to Goa. And I think the government should promote this. But till the government is unaware about what is off-roading, what is adventure sports, we will have to say that the show must go on till the time this government remains. But were we to come in the government, I'm quite sure that we would make Goa the center of off-roading and see that the best of talent comes to Goa and enjoys Goa also. So thank you very much for having invited me here. Thank you.